start to get yourselves focused on the start point outside the bandstand, or on any runners for the children's race, which is going to still start at 11:30. On your marks, please. Here we go. Are you ready? Get set.
The race is a historic race as far as the Aberystwyth Athletic Club is concerned. The club is 55 years old this year, and I understand that the race was run regularly from sometime in the 60s through the 70s and into the early 80s, and the club decided to resurrect the race some 3 or 4 years ago. It's a 7.5 mile race, but it's 2 very stiff climbs, so it's up and down Pen Dinas, back onto the promenade, and then to the north side of Aberystwyth, and it's up and down Constitution Hill.
First junior runner coming into view, I think it's Stephen Williams. Yes, it is. Stephen Williams, Aberystwyth AC, winner by a distance of this year's junior race. Stephen Williams, Aberystwyth AC. Ryan Williams. Congratulations, Ryan. Number 183, finishing in 2nd place. Brilliant. Third runner coming in, number 177, Alan Sean Jones, a 10-year-old, charging home in an Aber AC vest. Absolutely superb. 4th runner coming in, number 178, Carrie Harris, age 13. Well done, Carrie Harris.
This year we believe, I haven't checked the figures, but I don't think we've surpassed 120 in previous years. And I gather we're pushing 130 this year, so it's exceptionally good turnout. It's open to anybody. You don't have to be a club runner. Anybody who turns up can do it. The whole of the race is marshalled, so that if somebody does get into any trouble, fortunately we've never had any problems, but if somebody does get into trouble, there is somebody there to deal with it.
There are 127 runners in this race today. That's a record for us. Thank you very much to all of you for turning out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My name's Anita Worthing. I've been running with the club a few years, and this is the 2nd time I've done this event. I did it a couple of years ago and it was just as hot. They always seem to have good weather for this, but this year made it really hard. It was when I got up Pen Dinas, I didn't think I'd make my way around, but it's been really good. The supporters everywhere along the route have been absolutely fantastic, so that's what makes the race really, and it draws people to the town, so thoroughly enjoyed it this year. Now I can say that now that I've finished, but it was hard.
Serious speak. Go to district. 399. Well done, Pete. 412, Henry Drake, local runner, 60 years of age, unattached. Shouldn't be wearing a number 14 jersey at this stage of his life. The winner is in sight. It's bound to be 373 Andreas Jones. He's storming in, ladies and gentlemen. This man is an Olympic runner, the year 2000, Australia. Congratulations to Andreas Jones, defending his title, record holder for the course. Well done, Andreas Jones. Austin Davis from Brecon. Congratulations, Austin Davis. Very well run. Brother of the winner, Aberystwyth AC. Well done, Felipe Jones. Cracking run. Very, very good.